People, Savari Tech here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install a software, an app or program without admin access. Now I'd like you to slide down in the description of this video real quick to read my little disclaimer. Do know that this is for educational purposes only, but without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you'll get the link in the description of the video and head to your browser. Once you get to your browser, you're going to download this tool. As for the software you're going to try to install without admin access, I'll use Sublime or Sublime Text as an example. I do not really know how to pronounce that. So you're going to open the folder where your Extractor tool is located at. Usually if I were to double click on Sublime Text, it would ask me for admin access to be installed, but I'm going to show you how to install it without that access. So go ahead and extract your Extractor tool first. Once you're done extracting it, what you're going to want to do is you're going to put your setup or your installation file, your exe, in the same directory as the Extractor tool. Once you put it there, you're going to click and drag it right onto this tool right there. It's going to do its magic. Some apps or software will take minutes, even close to hours, if not hours, so it depends on how heavy your file is or how light. This app that I'm using right now, it's not very big file, so it got done pretty quick. Once it does its magic, it will create this app folder, which you will open, and there will be your program ready to be used. Now, to clean it up a little bit, I'd like to probably cut this entire app folder, put it somewhere a little bit more organized. Let's go to documents. Some people might even go to local disk and put it in users or something, but wherever you choose to put it, it really doesn't matter. It's a myth, like the program files folder is a myth. So go ahead and put it wherever you want and rename it. I'm going to call it exactly how the software is called. And once you do that, part of my cleaning up process will also be to open this, copy the exe. Also, I like to go there and say view file name extension. That's a vulnerability if you do not have that. So I'll go back to my desktop and I will paste the shortcut. That's part of the cleaning up. So if you were to click the setup and you had admin access, it'll all do that for you. But since you do not, then you have to do it manually. So as you can see, it is fully installed. I'm going to go ahead and double click on that, and it should open our new installed software. There you go. Our new text editor is up and running and ready for you to use. No admin access, nothing prompt us to say, do you want to allow this app to make changes? So this is it. For my scenario today, I kind of wrote it down there. For IT people, be mindful that just denying admin access to users is not enough to keep them from installing things. Although it is true that only a few people know this trick, but still it's out there. So for cybersecurity purposes, I thought I'd show this tutorial. And regular users, don't try this if you do not have the right access for it, because you might get in trouble for this. Yeah. Another thing is another scenario in which you might want to use this. Let's say you have an app you're installing, but you're not sure if you want to give that app admin access on your personal computer. Because when you give an app admin access, it's a big thing. You're giving the keys to the house. So you might do this if you're not sure whether you want to give that app admin access over your computer or not. So there you have it. This is how you install an app without admin access. For most apps, it'll work. Um, and for apps like Visual Studio, they have so much dependencies. They need some .NET framework thing to be installed, other things to be installed. So it might not work for these, but simple software like a text editor, um, a player, music player, some Spotify, whatnot. As long as it uses exe, go ahead. Yeah. So this was it. Had so much fun doing this for you guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be coming up with more of these videos. Thank you.